Myself Ghuge Siddeshwar from Mechanical Engineering Department of Gramin Polytechnic Vishnupuri Nanded. This is lecture number 1 and in this lecture I am going to explain you IC engine terminology or the nomenclature of IC engine. So in today's video the topic of discussion is IC engine terminology such as bore, stroke, swept volume, then compression ratio and piston speed. So let us start IC engine terminology. In IC engine terminology, the first term used, that is called as bore, and this bore is denoted by small d. So how to define the bore? ये बोर हम कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे? राजू, आपको पता है व्हाट इज बोर रिलेटेड टू आईसी इंजन? कहीं भी पढ़ा है आपने? नहीं? ओके, लिसन, आई विल टेल यू हाउ टू डिफाइन द बोर. नाउ सी द इनर डायमीटर ऑफ इंजन सिलेंडर. इंजन सिलेंडर का जो इनर डायमीटर होता है उसे हम बोर कहते हैं. इन शॉर्ट, द बोर इज denoted by small d. Then the second term used in IC engine terminology, that is stroke. Now what is stroke and how to define the stroke? Let us try to understand the definition of stroke. The linear distance traveled by piston when it moves from one end of cylinder to other end. Now see, this is the piston. Okay, this is piston, this is cylinder. Okay, this is connecting rod, there is a spark plug is mounted and there is a two valves. Now see which two valves? There is two valves are shown in this image. This is the valve number 1 and valve number 2. In commonly this is called as section valve and this is called as exhaust valve. Now see what is stroke. Okay, now see this distance, the distance between top dead center and bottom dead center, that distance is called as stroke. Okay, now how to define this stroke? The linear distance traveled by piston when it moves from one dead center to other dead center. Suppose मान लीजिए कि ये जो पिस्टन है टॉप डेड सेंटर से बॉटम डेड सेंटर की तरफ मूव करता है, तो वो जो डिस्टेंस होता है उस डिस्टेंस को हम क्या कहते हैं? द लीनियर डिस्टेंस, एंड दैट डिस्टेंस इज कॉल्ड एज स्ट्रोक. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? यस. नाउ सी, दिस इज द स्ट्रोक. ओके, एंड इट इज ट्वाइस द रेडियस ऑफ क्रैंक, दैट इज L इज इक्वल टू 2R. हाउ? व्हेन द इंजन इज crankshaft is rotating, at that time the piston is reciprocating inside the engine cylinder. When two revolutions of crankshaft completed, then the 4 strokes of engine will get completed for 4-stroke engine. That's why L is equal to 2R. The next term used in engine terminology, that is dead center, for vertical engine and for vertical engine top dead center. Now see, this is called as top dead center, the topmost position of piston when the piston is resting at this point or the piston is resting at top position, that is called as top dead center. Then the second term, bottom dead center. Now what is bottom dead center? Now see in this animation what is shown. In this animation the piston is reciprocating from one direction to other direction and vice versa. Now see, when the piston is reaching at this point, okay, this point is called as top dead center near to cylinder head. When piston is reaching near to cylinder head, that point is called as top dead center, and when the piston is reaching towards the crankshaft, okay, or at bottom dead position, this is called as bottom dead center. Now the next term used in IC engine terminology, that is clearance volume. Now what is clearance volume and how to define the clearance volume? See, the volume contained between piston top and cylinder head when the piston is at top dead center. मान लीजिए कि हमारा पिस्टन आके टॉप डेड सेंटर पे रुके वाला है. ओके, नाउ अब हमें क्या करना है, क्लियरेंस वॉल्यूम को डिफाइन करना है. नाउ सी द क्लियरेंस वॉल्यूम. ओके, क्लियरेंस वॉल्यूम मतलब, नाउ सी हियर द क्लियरेंस वॉल्यूम. ओके, द वॉल्यूम which is created inside the combustion chamber when the piston is at top dead center. Here when the piston is reaching at this point, this is top dead center, and the volume which is occupied this space or the whatever the volume generated above the piston, this volume is called as clearance volume. This is your clearance volume. Okay, do you understand? Yes. Then stroke volume. Sometimes this stroke volume is also called as swept volume. In short, stroke volume is written as Vs. Now the volume displaced by piston in one stroke when the piston is moving from top dead center to bottom dead center during second stroke of piston. Okay, when the piston is moving from top dead center to bottom dead center, whatever amount of volume will be generated inside the engine cylinder in one stroke of piston, that volume is called as swept volume. Now see, this is the portion that is shown in red lines. This volume is called as swept volume, and this swept volume will be denoted by Vs. Now how to calculate this swept volume? Swept volume will be calculated by using the formula Vs is equal to area into stroke length. Vs is equal to what? Area of cylinder. Area of cylinder, that is A, into what? Stroke length. Now see, the area of cylinder that will be cylindrical in shape, and that area of cylinder is calculated by using formula pi by 4 into d square into L. Okay, d is nothing but the bore diameter and L is the stroke length. Do you understand how to calculate swept volume? Yes. Okay, good. Now the next term used in IC engine terminology, that is compression ratio. Now how to define compression ratio? The ratio of total cylinder volume to clearance volume. The ratio of total cylinder volume to clearance volume is called as compression ratio. Now what is total cylinder volume? Total cylinder volume is nothing but the addition of clearance volume and swept volume. That is total cylinder volume Vt is equal to what? Vs plus Vc. Now the compression ratio, in short, compression ratio is written as Rc, and that Rc is equal to Vs plus Vc divided by Vc, where Vc plus Vs is the total volume and Vc is the clearance volume. Do you understand what is compression ratio and how to calculate this compression ratio? Yes. Now let us see, for petrol engine R varies from 6 to 10. It means that the compression ratio for SI engine or the compression ratio for petrol engine is how much? Is in the range of 6 to 10. That is 1:6 to 1:10. And for diesel engine, the compression ratio is always 1:14 to 1:20. This is the value for compression ratio for petrol engine as well as diesel engine. Now let us try to understand what is piston speed. The average speed of engine, the average speed of engine is called as piston speed, and it is equal to 2Ln, where N is the speed of crankshaft in revolution per minute. Okay, therefore Vp is equal to 2ln divided by 60, where L is the stroke length and N is the RPM of crankshaft. Now Vp is in the unit of Vp, that is meter per second. Do you understand what is piston speed? Yes? Okay, good. Now let us summarize what we learn from this lecture. We learn about engine terminologies such as bore. Bore means what? The inner diameter of engine cylinder is called as bore. Second term, stroke. What is stroke? The linear distance traveled by piston in one stroke, that is called as stroke. Then dead center. There are two types of dead center, top dead center and bottom dead center. The topmost position of piston is called as top dead center and bottommost position of piston is called as bottom dead center. Then clearance volume. What is clearance volume? The volume occupied at the top of piston, that volume is called as clearance volume. Then swept volume. Okay, the volume contained in between top dead center and bottom dead center when piston is moving from top dead center to bottom dead center, that volume is called as swept volume. And swept volume Vs is equal to pi by 4 into d square into L. Then we also discuss about compression ratio. Compression ratio is equal to what? Total cylinder volume divided by clearance volume. Then engine speed, Vp is equal to 2ln divided by 60. So I hope all of you understand what is engine terminology and how to define different terms that will be used in the IC engine. So my dear students, some expected questions, that questions will always ask in your examination question paper, such as define bore, define stroke, define piston speed, define clearance volume, then define compression ratio with respect to IC engine, then explain nomenclature of IC engine with neat sketch. So my dear students, I hope all of you understand in better way IC engine terminology. If you have any doubt regarding today's lecture, then you can send me your doubts on my given email